Hi guys, back with me again in a tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of file on Google Docs. So if you want to copy a certain file on your Google Docs and you don't know how, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So first, open your Google Docs on your mobile phone. And then here are the file on my Google Docs, and if you want to make a copy, just click on the three dots icon and then scroll down until you find this make a copy option. Just click on that, and you can also rename the document title and also the folder where the folder that you want to save your file into. So for example, I want to copy this file. Example. And I want to save it in my drive. Just click on OK. Copying. So this file will be automatically open, and then you can see that it has been successfully copied to my drive. Okay, so that's it for me. This is the file. That's it from me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.